Hello students, welcome to General Knowledge class. How are you all? I hope you would be fit and fine. Students, we have completed till chapter 3. Today we are going to start with chapter 4, that is Gifts of Nature. So let's start the chapter.
Chapter 4 Gifts of Nature. Now we are going to see that nature is incredible. It has very unique characteristics of nature, which is really hard to believe. Nature has many beautiful and unique characteristics in this whole world. So we are going to see some of the unique characteristics of the nature in this chapter. First is tardigrades. Now it is also known as water bears. It is a microscopic animals and they can survive in the extreme temperature, either in extreme cold or extreme hot weather they can survive. And it's very interesting to know that it can remain without the water for up to 10 years. That means it does not get water, even then it will survive for such a long time. And it can also survive in the outer space. So this is really an amazing characteristics of this creature. Next is Rafflesia arnoldi. Now it is popularly known as corpse flower and is the world's largest flower. It smells like a rotting flesh and it weighs around 11 kg. Though this flower does not have any leaves, it has no roots and no stem. So how does it survive? It is actually a parasitic flower. That means it depends on the other plant to grow. And it is found in Southeast Asian islands of Sumatra and Borneo. And is the world's largest flower as well. And at the third one, there's a golden spice of India, that is turmeric, and it is almost found in each of the house in India. We know that it is yellow in color and it is added to the food items. And it is also being used as a medicine to treat wounds and infections, because it has a powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-reducing characteristics. That means turmeric is having a power. It is used as a medicine so that it reduces the pain, it reduces allergies, and at the left hand side in the picture, it can be seen that it looks like a ginger as well. And the plant is also being seen. So the root of this plant is used as a turmeric. And next is the Jacob Shag Glacier. In the top you can see it is found in Greenland and it has a record of traveling 1 feet per day. So 150 feet per day is quite a long journey for this glacier to travel, and it is the fastest moving glacier in the world. And we know that glacier is a mass of the ice. And how does it form? It's formed by the snowfall and gets accumulated from a long years. And this glacier, Jacob Shag Glacier, travels 150 feet per day. And at the bottom, did you know the bark of willow tree has a chemical called salicin, which is used to make aspirin. And this is the ancient Egyptian used the bark of the tree to reduce pain and aches. Now, the tree, that is willow tree, the bark of the willow tree is used to make aspirin, which is used to reduce the pain and aches. It's also a wonderful tree. Part A, read the clues about these medicinal plants and complete the crossword. Now students, I'm reading the clues from the book and the answer would be shown on the screen. So the first is, it is obtained from the inner bark of several trees and helps to heal problems such as bronchitis, asthma and even heart condition. So this is cinnamon. Cinnamon, cinnamon. Second, this flowering plant shares its name with a color. When applied to cuts and bruises, it works as an antiseptic and provides relief from pain. Second is lavender. It is used to apply on the cuts and it gives the relief from the pain. Third is, the fruit of this tree helps in curing diarrhea, dysentery and constipation. It is known as wood apple and is native to India. And this is Bael, Bael. Fourth, this fruit is excellent for boosting immunity, improving digestion, and is a good source of vitamin C. So the fourth one is amla. Fifth, this is an aromatic plant with white and yellow daisy-like flowers. It is used to make herbal tea, which helps in relieving stress and aids in sleep. So that is chamomile. So chamomile is the aromatic plant. It has some white and yellow flowers and it is used to make herbal tea. Chamomile, chamomile. Sixth, this tree is native to the Indian subcontinent and its leaves and bark have antibacterial and antiseptic values. Its leaves are used to keep insects away. So this tree is known as neem tree. So neem tree is a very useful tree. It is, the leaves and barks are used for antibacterial and antiseptic values. Seventh, calendula, a species of this flower, has antifungal properties and helps in soothing rashes, sunburn, acne and blemishes. So this flower is marigold. Marigold, marigold. Eighth, it is the most sacred herb in Hindu belief and commonly found in every house, popularly known as tulsi. Now, its leaves can cure cough, cold, bronchitis, and loss of appetite. So, the name of the, or you can say the other name of tulsi is basil. Ninth, this medicinal herb of the mint family is a strong antiseptic that helps in curing cough, congestion, and indigestion. So the medicinal herb of mint family is thyme. Thime, thyme. 10th, the fleshy leaves of this plant produce a bitter juice which is used in medicines and cosmetics, and its juice is also effective in treating burns and frost bites. And this plant is aloe vera. We all know the aloe vera. It has a bitter juice, but it is used in cosmetics and medicines. And it treats on the burns and the frost bites. It gives a soothing and a cooling effect. So this was the part A. Let's move to the next one, that is, did you know? Now in Ayurveda, we all know that is an ancient Indian system of medicine which uses herbs, which are small plants, and minerals and some metals to make a specific medicine which cures illness and sickness. And Ayurveda is a very good source of which provides a very useful medicines to cure illness. Now let's think why is home cooked food is healthier than fast food. Why is it healthier? Home cooked food is actually contains less sugar, less carbohydrate, and it may contain to some extent some preservative or no preservatives. And so it is quite healthy and hygienic. It contains more nutritious and which keeps our body and mind active. Of course, the home cooked food is quite healthy for our body in contrast to the junk food or the fast food. Fast food contains lot of sugars, they have a high carbohydrate, high calories in it, which makes our body fat and makes it inactive and makes our mind inactive, and it is not even healthy and also not nutritious. So it is good to eat fresh and healthy home cooked food to keep our body and mind active. Now, moving to train your brain. Now, this is a mathematical question. Let's solve it. Ria needs 5 Indian gooseberry. Now, this gooseberry is commonly known as amla to make 1 glass of juice, and 20 Indian gooseberries, that is amla, to make 4 glasses of juice. So we have got the idea that 5 amla makes 1 glass of juice and 20 amla makes 4 glasses of juice. Now if Ria has 250 Indian gooseberries, how many glasses of juice can she make? Yes, so let's solve it. Number of glass of juice in 5 amla, it's 1 glass. Number of glasses of juice in 20 amla, it's 4 glasses. So out of 250 amla, how many glasses would be there? We just have to divide 250 by 5 and the answer comes out 50 glasses. So Ria will make around 50 glasses of juice out of 250 amla or Indian gooseberries. So this is the homework that you have to complete chapter 4 from your general knowledge book.
Students, today we have completed chapter 4 in the class. So you are going to do it in your general knowledge book. Take care. Bye students.